YouTube, what is up? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the Sneaker Fiend. Now today we're going over the LeBron 18 in the DUNKMAN colorway. Now before we get into the shoes, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. Let's get it. Alright guys, so I have tried out the LeBron 18 and it is actually one of my favorite models of the LeBron line. Now the LeBron 18 does come in this normal, boring LeBron box. Honestly, I'm kind of sick of this box. I'm just not impressed with it. I just don't really like it. I don't know why, it's just not appealing to me. But anyway, it comes with some white wrapping paper, pretty boring. I did go with a size 10. The shoe does run true to size, so whatever shoe you normally ball in, go with that size and you should be good. Retail price was $200 for this sneaker. I know you guys don't care about the box, so let's get into the shoes. Bam! The LeBron 18 in the DUNKMAN colorway. Like I said, this is a solid black colorway with these nice bright neon green colors. Bro, this shoe just pops. Now the LeBron 18 is kind of weird when holding in hand because it feels really heavy, but for some reason once you put it on feet, it doesn't feel heavy at all. It doesn't feel like you're dragging on your shoes, like they weigh too much. It's actually a very comfortable shoe. I like the knit upper. So this is knit posit upper, and I feel like it sculpts to your feet perfectly. It's comfortable, very flexible. I have a full length zoom unit on the shoe as well as your Air Max bubble in the heel section. Heard some people say they don't like the air unit. I know there's a lot of people who just don't like the big air bubbles in general. Me personally, I actually really like it. Now the shoe is comfortable, but I will say there's one thing I do not like about the LeBron 18, and that is the tongue. It's not a huge deal because it is pretty thin and flimsy. This part right here will just stab into the front part of your ankle, which I just really hate. I just can't stand that part about the LeBron 18. As far as comfort, everything's on point except for that one thing. But anyway, the look is pretty cool. You do have the lion up at the top. I really like the eyes and how they have the neon color in there. Got the bubble in the middle that does say Air and the LeBron logo on the bottom. It does have these thin black rope laces. Then looking at the back part of the shoe, you do have this heel shield in black. More of a sturdy material, kind of like a thick rubber. You guys can see the LeBron logo with those little jagged edges. Now on the inside part of that heel, you do have this Nike logo in that neon green color. Up at the front, you have a green embroidered Nike logo. Black midsole with that neon green translucent outsole. This outsole just looks so dope. I'm not sure if this is glow in the dark, and I'm pretty sure it isn't, but it just looks like it will be. Like, this is very bright, very loud, which I really like. You guys can see the DUNKMAN logo. Man, that part is super sick. You got the LeBron logo in black in the middle. You guys can see the air unit underneath. Really dope model, the LeBron 18. One thing I wish was better about this shoe is I wish the retail was a little lower. Like $200 is just, I feel like it's really pushing it. A lot of people tend to complain on the $200 retail price, and I think it's a reason that a lot of LeBrons sit. They don't sell out. Kyrie Irving shoes tend to sell out more than LeBron shoes, which I don't think any of us even have to debate this. We know LeBron is a better player than Kyrie. Like, I'm a Kyrie fan, but I'm just saying, like, LeBron is obviously the better player. And I just don't think Nike is marketing his shoes in the best way. Obviously, they're trying to get the most money because he has the bigger name, so they're gonna up the retail price, but I feel like they could build a lot more hype if they lower the retail price, which would cause the shoes to actually sell out, and like I said, build more hype, which would be good for the LeBron line. But either way, they're LeBrons. People are gonna wear them, they're gonna like them. Me personally, I really like LeBrons. And the DUNKMAN colorway has been on multiple other LeBron models. So when I saw it on the 18, I was like, okay, that's one that I gotta have. So with that being said, let's take a look at this shoe on feet.
I ain't about to choose a day to have a run with you. Tough on the phone and the comfort in your home. Let me see you face to face out in public like what's up with you. Hey. I'm on a whole different caliber, shameless as hell like a Gallagher. You in the struggle by any means, getting your bread. Tell me I cannot be mad at you. Dog eat dog bruh, shit is ruthless. Not for the weak, cause it's brutal. Events that are highly unusual. I ain't been crying at funerals. You just don't know what this life here would do to you. Know what I'm saying? Look, come over to Teslaland, where you can live out your fantasies. No matter where I move to, I deal with all the same things. My homie so hard-headed, gangbang, but that's just how it is. We all gotta maintain. See the dead or in jail, and that's the goddamn shame. There ain't no in-between. You gotta pick a side, cause if it's a war at hand, you can't be switching sides. We all gotta roll the
Him, bam. The LeBron 18 in the DUNKMAN colorway. Let me know what you guys think of the LeBron 18. What do you think of this colorway? Did you purchase? Are you going to purchase now that you've seen this video? Leave all that good stuff in the comment section below. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. With that being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 through that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 through that shit more than once.